Aikari aya maugite kimaramari giki ni gikoretwo gikinyamaria ciana cio cia airitu kwa ihinda iraya, undu uria utumite makoro magikara na hahu.
Huyu mtu amekaa Londiani kwa miaka 7 na ameteza watoto. Alikuwa na deal na madawa, watoto wanapatia watoto dawa, wanaenda anafanya kazi ya rabies.
Nimaugite mwikwiru uyu ni akoretwo ari batonini ya itoi iria ikoretwo iri wedi-ini wa dawa cia kurebia manyitanire na onjoria mwe akiricona na ikuru. Caroline Kipruto ni muikari wa gukuri uri na ruo agitariria uria ciana ciake ciurire wedi-ini wa dawa cia kurebia na thengia wa gukura menyithitio borithi gutire makinya moete. Mwena-ini wa arutani ni maratariria uria arutwo makoretwo magitira guthie cukuru aciari ao matekumenya. Agikira horo uyu mukonde, afitha wa borithi ceceni-ini ya Londiani ni augite ni gukoretwo na wongerereku wa ciana cia airitu kuhamwo kimwiri, no akaregana na matandatu ni magite gwikia ngono mwikwiru uyu.
Nobody has ever reported a case on defilement here within our section, and we failed to investigate the allegation about Surambaya. We are now getting for the first time. And whatever we had initially was an allegation which was raised in court in Molo during a malicious damage case by accused who somehow wanted to square some personal difference with alias Surambaya.
Riu aikari aya ni maugite wona makinya marumu ma kiwatho maga gutacukirio mwikwiru uyu ciana ciao cia airitu iri ugwati-ini. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV ni ngetwo Wanjiru wa Njuguna.